Let's talk about artificial intelligence, the hottest thing since cheese in a pizza crust, and just as confusing. Every day, we see wild headlines: self-driving cars, AI doctors, robots in factories. But with all this power comes big, flashing, neon sign questions. Who decides what a self-driving car does in a crisis? Who's responsible when it goes wrong? It's a legal and moral minefield, and we're tap dancing through it blindfolded. We're like toddlers with the keys to a nuclear submarine, racing ahead, barely asking why or what if. So where does AI get its intelligence from? It doesn't just spring into existence with a deep understanding of the world. No, we have to teach it. And we do that by feeding it massive, colossal amounts of data. And what is that data? It's us. It's our books, our articles, our internet comments, our pictures. Basically, a digital reflection of all of our glorious, messy, and often deeply prejudiced human history. AI learns from the world as it is, not as we'd like it to be. So if our society has biases, and spoiler alert, it absolutely does, then the AI will learn those biases too. It's less artificial intelligence and more artificial confirmation of our existing prejudices. This isn't a hypothetical problem. It is happening right now. We've seen AI-powered hiring tools that learn from decades of hiring data and decide that the best candidate for a tech job is probably a guy named Jared. Facial recognition systems have been shown to be fantastic at identifying white men and shockingly bad at identifying women of color, sometimes confusing them with, and this is true, inanimate objects. There have been AI systems for determining credit scores that penalize people for living in certain neighborhoods, effectively redlining with an algorithm. This isn't just an oopsie, it's discrimination at scale, hidden behind a veneer of objective, technological neutrality. Of course, the people building these systems are trying to fix this. They talk about algorithmic audits and fairness checks, which are noble efforts. They try to clean the data and tweak the code to make the AI less, racist. But that's like trying to bake a cake without any sugar, and then just sprinkling some on top at the end and hoping no one notices. The bias is often baked into the very core of the data. True neutrality is incredibly difficult, maybe even impossible to achieve. How do you teach an AI to be fair when we humans can't even agree on what fair means? The scary part is how quickly this can become entrenched. An unfair AI denies someone a loan. That person then can't build wealth, which reinforces the economic data that the AI was trained on in the first place, creating a vicious feedback loop. The algorithm's biased prediction becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. We are building systems that can perpetuate and even amplify our worst societal flaws, all while claiming the cold, hard objectivity of a machine. It's a way to launder our biases, making them seem sterile, mathematical, and unavoidable when they are anything but. AI has supercharged surveillance to a terrifying new level. It's not just a camera on a pole anymore. Now systems track your face in a crowd, analyze your movements, and even guess your emotions. Governments and corporations promise safety, but the real trade-off is our privacy and freedom. Every time you unlock your phone or walk through a city, you're feeding the beast, trading privacy for convenience. Companies make billions from our data. We are the product. The convenience of AI is wonderful, but the price might be a future where privacy is just history. The future of work is on everyone's mind. For years, we've heard that robots are coming for our jobs. First factory workers, now even writers, artists, and musicians. If machines can do what makes us feel unique, what are we for? This isn't just about paychecks. It's about purpose and dignity. We need to rethink education, focus on skills machines can't replicate, and ensure a fair transition. The future of AI should be shaped by all of us, not just tech companies. The choice is ours, at least for now.